very heavy duty, like even heavy duty truck, for smaller car to even bigger size truck. You can handle very easy. They take a lot of weight, and we're gonna put them in a test just after a few minutes coming up in this video. You can see now. I did this about like a month ago or so. I did not have a video of how to do it, but it's very simple. So here, just quick measurements. This is the width. It's 14.5 inch, the width, and those are all you need. Like first of all, you need 2 by 6. This is 2 by 6. 2 by 6 here, and this is 7 inch. So this is a 1.5 inch by 7, and the width, the length is 41 inch. And those are all 2 by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one, same thing. You need screws, about 3-inch screws. Those screws, three-inch. This one, 2.5. So 3-inch will be perfect for this job, and you can see it sinks really good. The 2-inch, 2.5 inch will work also, but 3-inch is much better. Okay, so and you can see here I cut it. This is the flat, and I cut it from here. $30.5 all the way to down there. Let's pretend this is about the high. Actually, you can even make it up to 9 inch or 10 inch. So if you get 2 by 10 will work. If you get 2 by 8, but this is 7 inch, so that's 7 plus here. So that's the, and that's 9 inch almost. That's the high 9 inch, which is perfect to make the lift the car more high enough above the ground to do any work like oil change, fixing or anything. It's a good high, but you can make it even up to 10 inch or so. So to start with, those are the sides. 1, 2. You can see here 1, 2, and is the first. This is the great length. So 41 inch is a good length. You can make it even longer if you like, but shorter. It will be kind of not steep enough, and it might not work good as I tried the length, and this is the great length for, but you can make it longer, not shorter. So you can make up to 45 inch. So let's pretend this is the car tire will sit in this area here. So this area is 11 inch. From here to here, 11 inch. More than enough to the car sit in here perfectly. So 11.5. Let's make it 11. You can make it bigger, not shorter than like 11 or 10. So here is the 11. Let's make it. Let's see 12 or even 13, for example. So from 13, and here is the cut. Start from here. So we got 30 inch steep cut. And to start the cut, so you need to, Okay, just like that. Put this one, like, and it's straight, something like straight like this one, and start like that. So that's how it looks like. You can use this to cut all the way through. Very easy to use this, and it's gonna sit like that. See, it's steep enough to climb the car on the ramp. Very easy. From here to here, 34 inch, and from here to here, 13 inch. In the back here, as you see, I added more 2x4 for other strengths, and I just put 2 screws in each one from the sides. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the end of this ramp, I added this stop, like a stopper, very strong. You can add it all the way from here to here, so you can if you have 2x12 will be perfect sitting, but I didn't have 2x12. Instead I added this 2x6 added here, so once the car climb up, we'll stop right here. This is a car tire, like a car wheel. So when you climb, and we'll stop here. This is the piece I also cut, as you can see here. So steep, it's like almost 45 degrees this way. The other one, this one here, pretty much the same thing. Here is the stopper for once you reach the end. This will stop the car. So let's put those two on a test, and you can see how easy you can handle. You can see the pretty much same height. Those spaces here, it's for car can drag easy, so the tire won't like spins, and and then in case of snow, like ice or snow or water, will be easy. It won't be stuck on the wood, and those are spaces 4. So the space is great for drain any water, ice, snow, and at the same time good for better drag, and so tire can clamp easy on those ramps. So we're gonna put them or test them in 2 cars, SUV and a van. Both are kind of heavy cars. I don't have a truck, but you will see how easy they can both handle those ramps. So to make sure those are lined up with the car, it's just the best way is like that, you see. You can even make it a little bit more wider, wide enough, it's more stable, better for the car. As you see here, this is the wheel, and you can see we got about 3-inch from here clearance and 3-inch from here clearance. More than good enough for, so the, you know, do not have to make it very narrow. So that will stay here like that. Okay, so we'll start with this one first, and then we'll go to the second one. Just like that. Okay, let's try it. See, they can handle the weight of the car very easy. Now you got plenty of room here, you can work in the car. Now we're gonna try the back wheels to climb up the car from the back. Okay. So they handle very easy, the car weight, they're very strong, very reliable, easy to use, and you can see can handle very easy.